Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to create a photo inside shape effect using smart masking in Photoshop. First, create a new document and set the width and height as you like. Next, go to the window menu at the top and select Shapes. Inside the Shapes panel, choose any shape you want. In this example, I'm using a flower shape. Just click and drag it into your document. Now go to File, then choose Place Embedded, and select the image you want to use. Click Place, and resize the image so it fits nicely over the shape. After that, right-click on the image layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. To add a background, click Solid Color, and pick any color you like. And finally, apply a stroke effect to the shape layer to make it stand out. That's it. Now you've created a clean photo in shape effect with smart masking in Photoshop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.